Fatal crash along the Chapelton Main Road in Clarendon leaves 1 dead and at least 5 injured.
District after SDLA, Maypen Fire Station.
Yes, sir. Can you tell me about you responding to this accident?
Yeah, we received a call of a motor vehicle accident and arrival we saw a 3-vehicle collision. One person was thrown from the vehicle and another was trapped in a Toyota coaster bus.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, a taxi operator was killed after he was flung from his vehicle into a culvert, and several other people injured in a 3-vehicle collision along the Chapelton Main Road in Clarendon on Tuesday the 4th of May. The deceased has been identified as a 37-year-old Redford Mowen of Ballards River in the parish. The accident, which occurred in the New Roads area about 3:45 p.m, involved a Toyota coaster belonging to Clarendon College. A hiace minibus and a probox driven by the deceased also resulted in the injury of at least 5 other people. Those injured included the school bus driver, 56-year-old Keith Dunkley of Woodall District in Clarendon, who had to be cut from his vehicle by firefighters. At least 3 students from Clarendon College and the minibus driver Ferris Thompson of a Kingston address. The 3 drivers reportedly received the most serious injuries, with Mowen dying while Dunkley and Thompson were both admitted in hospital for treatment. Mowen, who plies the Maypen to Chapelton route, had a near-death experience a month ago when a car he was driving burst into flames, forcing him to flee for his life. His death has left his son orphaned after his child's mother died about 2 years ago.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!